everybody, Miss Dietrich here, helping you on question number 5 from the PARCC Standards Practice. It reads, students receive a 15% discount at a local movie theater. If a student pays the discounted price of $7.65, what is the original price of the movie ticket? Whenever you have a complex word problem, one of the things we've been practicing in class is the idea of a double tape diagram. The top rectangle is talking about percents, and the bottom rectangle in this example is talking about the money. Once you have that figured out, then you need to think to yourself, well, what does this represent here? The problem says 15% discount. So that's how much they're not paying, 15% not paying discount. That's what that means. So the rest of it would have to represent the amount that they're actually paying when the tickets are on sale, which would be this amount. Now, one option that you have is to think about, well, what's the percent for that? Well, that would be 85%. The student is paying 85% of the full price. This is the percent paying or the sale price. I'll put sale price here. Even though it's kind of hard to write with a mouse, we'll do the best we can. Alright, so now you have to figure out, what are we going to do with this number right here? Is this the all of it number? Is it the discounted rate, or amount, or is it the sale price that we're paying? So let's finish color coding our boxes. This is going to be the dollar amount off the regular price. This is going to represent the actual dollar amount that the student is paying, and then this amount that we'll put right here will represent what the full price of the ticket would be. Let's reread it again and make sure we understand where to put this number, because we've got to choose one of these three positions to put this $7.65. It says if a student pays the discounted price of $7.65. So that suggests it's not the full price, and it's not how much they're taking off of the regular price, although it does say discounted, so some students would fall for that and put it right here. It's actually the amount that the student is paying. We're going to put that amount right here in this box. Alright, so once you figure out what boxes you have both of, so do we have both pieces of information for the red boxes, or do we have both pieces of information for the green boxes, then you can proceed from there. In this case, we have both pieces of information for the green box, so we're going to figure out what's the all of it amount. Let's write this as a proportion, or as a ratio, 85 over 100 equals, alright, and remember, top is talking about parts and the bottom is talking about the whole. We don't know the all of it amount. We know the part, $7.65. We're going to find the whole. Alright, now the numbers are not very user-friendly, so I'm going to suggest you start by dividing by 5 on these, and then see if you can further reduce it. Let's say you're not sure which one it is and you have a calculator. You're not good at cross products, you get all mixed up. If you're good at just understanding how cross products should be equivalent when you choose the correct solution, one option is to just take each choice, like choice A for example, let's say you think it's that, put it in the place of W, find what 85 times 9 would be, and see if it's the same thing you get when you multiply 100 times 7.65, which by the way, if you multiply these two things together, you're going to, it's the same as when you're multiplying by 100, it's the same as moving the decimal over 2 to the right. That's mental math. That equals 765. And if we look at the other cross product, that's 85 times some number that equals 765. So it's probably going to be just easier for you to finish up by dividing 765 divided by 85 and seeing which of these choices you're going to get, because this will cancel out and that will cancel out, and you'll bring down the W. Good luck finishing that up.